I doing today, Mummy?
We're going to make tie-dye. So we're going to do different colours. Okay, so what you need to do, Savannah, is put on the gloves. You got your gloves on. You've got some warm water. Put your handkerchief into the warm water. Yeah, put it in the warm water, please. Put it inside them. Yeah. Okay, so we just made the handkerchief a bit wet. We wringed it out. Now we're going to make it into, fold it. Okay, so what we need to do now is get some foil paper and make it into a little boat. I'll do that for you. Like a little boat. And then we've got some rubber bands.
Yeah.
With the rubber bands, we're just going to wrap it around the corner. One there. Right, wrap it on the other side. Wrap it on this side here. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cold one.
We'll get one more at the top. Okay, so it's all wrapped up. We put it in here. Okay, and now we're going to put the dye on there. Okay, now put it into the corner. Put it all in that middle bit. Okay, and then what we'll do is just flip it the other way. See, it's already starting to soak up. And then we'll do a little bit of red in there. Yeah. Yellow in the corner here. That's it. And then do blue in the middle. So now what we'll do is we'll come back in one day. We have to let this sit. And then once it takes a day, we'll show everybody, yeah? Hi Savannah, remember when we were doing tie-dye? So is it ready? Okay, get the Ziploc bag. Wait, get the bag. And get that out of there for me. So we left it in there for 24 hours, one day. So take the elastic off the handkerchief. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well done. Squeeze the water out now. Okay. Yeah, and put the water in. Okay, great. Now squeeze the water out. Well done. Is it a nice design? You did it all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, I could do it.